guys, welcome to my course. Basically, if you plan on learning English, you have to start from the basics. It's like with anything else that you plan on learning. You have to start with the basics, which are the vowels. In the English language, there are 5 vowels, and these vowels make up every word. They are A, E, I, O, and U. If you know how those vowels sound, you can say just about any word in English language. Now, how do those vowels sound? Okay, well, the letter A has the sound ah, ah. The letter E has the sound eh, eh. The letter I has the sound I, I, I. The letter O has the sound ah, ah, ah. Very good. And the letter U has the sound uh, uh, uh. Wonderful. Keep practicing those sounds, and the next class we'll have a little quiz to see how you did. All right? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you next class. Have a good day.